बांग्लादेश।
हमारे साथ ढाका से इस वक्त वी आर बी कनेक्टेड टू द स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट ओवर देयर और समीर रहमान साहब हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। समी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सबसे पहले थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम समी, क्या खबरें आ रही हैं? यहाँ तो आज हमने देखा कि बीसीबी के चेयरमैन भी आ गए और लेटेस्ट अपडेट ये भी है कि जी इमाराती जो बोर्ड है एमिरेट्स का, सबके सब लगे हुए पाकिस्तान को किसी तरीके से मनाने के लिए कि आप इंडिया के साथ खेले। बट यू नो व्हाट पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड हैज डन फॉर बांग्लादेश क्रिकेट बोर्ड, ये पाकिस्तान इंडिया के मैच से बियॉन्ड चीजें हैं। बांग्लादेश में पाकिस्तान के इस फैसले को कैसे देखा गया है, पहले तो ये बताएं समी।
Well, there is a mixed perception about the decision taken by Pakistan government about sending the team and not agreeing to play the match against India. Okay. There has been a mixed reaction, but the thing is, you know, as Bangladesh is not taking part in the World Cup due to some political reason, and Pakistan is also saying that they are abiding by the rule of the government, as the government has instructed not to play against India. So we are seeing that even playing field for both the countries, because earlier India has played the same trick. Like when Pakistan was hosting the ICC Champions Trophy in 2024, India refused to travel to Pakistan, saying that it's the government instruction, they cannot travel to Pakistan.
Right.
So now the same thing is happening in both the countries. They are saying that their government has barred their team to travel to India or play against India. Now the situation is not happening like earlier. Like earlier, there was a hybrid model was in place, and India played all their matches. Right. So these things has exposed the dual standard of ICC. A global organization should not have this dual standard.
Right. Sami, it has to the financial scenario that we have over here. Obviously, if you know they were making enough big revenue from Bangladesh, they would have also tried to do this matter, diplomacy के ज़रिए इस मामले को solve करने की कोशिश करते, but that didn't happen. So, do you say if this continues and India doesn't come over to talk to you guys like Bangladesh, would you be sending any more of your players to Bangladesh in future, India in future?
Well, that's the new government to decide. Like it was the interim government who was in charge still now, but the general election is going to take place on 12th, which is just like 2 days away. So the new government will come and they will decide whether the diplomacy and the future relationship with India will go in which way. As if now, you know, the ousted former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, has taken refuge in India. So long political reasons will not be sorted in this category, so we will have a sour relationship with India in future. So the political government should come take the charge, and they have to settle things out, because the International Criminal Tribunal Court has taken death penalty for taking the charge of the genocide that took place during
the issue, that what we have been telling the whole world, that cricket should not be indulged in politics. बहुत शुक्रिया समी आपका, thank you so much for your time.